Dear student, we are going to study the corona formation in three-phase transmission line. So if voltage exceeds beyond the certain limit due to some conditions, then here surrounding the conductor get ionized and there is a formation of corona. So formation of corona and corona loss depend on the various conditions. For example, type of conductor used, location of conductor, physical properties of the conductor, environmental condition of the conductor, and due to this corona there are some advantages and disadvantages. So researchers have developed some formulas to determine the corona loss. So in this lecture we will study the various types of formulas used to determine the corona loss in the EHV transmission line. So while design the EHV transmission line, we have to consider corona and related things.
Go.
So corona loss formulas. Corona loss formulae. So list of formulas. So corona loss depend on corona loss denoted by PC. It is a function of number one is the corona inception voltage. Corona inception voltage V0 denoted by V0. Second thing is actual voltage of conductor. Actual voltage of conductor. This is Vi. Then excess voltage. Excess voltage across the line. This is V minus V0. This is voltage above corona inception voltage V0. Then fourth is a conductor surface voltage gradient. This is voltage gradient on conductor surface. Voltage gradient on conductor surface. This is denoted E, a capital E. Then next is corona inception gradient. Corona inception gradient. This is E0. Then corona loss also depend on frequency f. Corona is function of frequency f. Then conductor size. Conductor size and the number of conductors in bundle, and n the number of subconductors in bundle. Subconductors in bundle. Then atmospheric condition. Atmospheric condition. Then conductor surface condition. Conductor surface conditions. So total corona loss is a function of all these things: corona inception voltage, actual conductor voltage, excess voltage, voltage gradient on the conductor surface, corona inception gradient voltage, frequency f, conductor size, number of subconductors in bundle, atmospheric condition, various atmospheric condition are there. Then conductor surface condition, like conductor smooth or rough conductor surface. Now available formula to determine corona loss are classified as available formulae classified as: number 1, classification based on voltages. Classification based on voltages. First is Skilling's formula. First is Skilling formula. So Skilling says corona loss PC is directly proportional to V minus V0. This is nothing but excess voltage. Excess voltage above V0. This is line voltage and this is the corona inception voltage. So V minus V0 is excess voltage on the conductor. Then second is quadratic relationship. Quadratic relationship. In this peak formula, this is FW peak formula. As per peak, corona loss in the line is directly proportional to V minus V0 square. This is corona loss directly proportional to square of excess voltage. Then as per Rahn and Henlein formula, Rahn and Henlein, these are the researchers. They proved that corona loss PC is directly proportional to the product of line voltage and the excess voltage. Then Peterson developed formula to determine the corona loss. So as per Peterson's formula, he developed formula in 1933 and he proved that PC is directly proportional to V square F into V upon V0, where F is experimental factor. This value is generally given in numerical. Experimental factor given in the numerical. Then cubic relationship. Third is the cubic relationship. So in this cubic relationship, first and Menger formula, the corona loss Pc is directly proportional to V cube. As per Faust and Menger formula, corona loss is directly proportional to V cube. V is line voltage. Then as per Prince formula, Prince developed formula in 1940. As per Prince formula, corona loss Pc is directly proportional to V square into V minus V0. So this is classification to calculate corona loss based on the voltages. Now corona loss based on the voltage gradient. This is second type. This is based on the voltage gradient. Based on voltage gradients. In as per voltage gradients, Nigol and Casson developed formula in 1961. As per this formula, Pc, corona loss Pc is proportional to E square into ln E minus E0. And as per project on EHV formula in 1966, this is 1966, corona loss Pc is directly proportional to product of V e raised to m into m. This is equal to 5. So this is the formula. Now, so these are the classification of the formulas used to depend on use. Now formula is suggested. These are the relations. Now formula is suggested. Formula number 1. This is Nigol and Casson formula. They develop formula as Pc is equal to K F R cube theta E square ln E upon E0. This is corona loss kW per kilometer. This is three-phase loss, three-phase corona loss. This is for three-phase total corona loss, you can say. So where F as usual frequency, hertz, R conductor, radius of conductor, this is centimeter. Theta is the angular portion in radian, theta in radian of conductor surface E, if E, capital E, this is the effective surface, conductor surface. It is effective surface gradient at operating voltage, line voltage, operating voltage V, and as it is gradient kV per centimeter, this is RMS kV. Then E0 is corona inception gradient, inception gradient. Corona is inception gradient for given condition. For given conditions. These are environmental conditions. This is also kV per centimeter, kV in RMS, not peak, and K is constant. K is constant depending on weather condition and the conductor condition. Conductor surface condition, you can say whether conductor is rough conductor or smooth conductor, depending on the surface condition. Then second formula developed by Anderson. So second formula is Anderson's formula. Anderson or Beard-Sky formula. This is for rain condition, you can say, or Anderson formula. So as per Anderson formula, corona loss PC is PFW, loss in fair weather condition. You can say PFW is loss in fair weather condition. PFW plus 0.3606 into K into V R square ln 1 plus 10 into rho into summation of 1 to 3n into e raised to 5. This is formula for the corona loss developed by the Anderson, where PFW, this is total fair weather loss, total fair weather loss, kW per kilometer, loss kW per kilometer. This is 1 to 5 kW per kilometer, for 500 kV. For 500 kV, PFW is generally between 1 to 5 kW and 3 to 20 kW, 20 kW per kilometer for 700 kV. This is the range. Then value of K is constant. K is 5 into 3 5 10 raised to minus 10 for 500 to 700 kV line, 500 to 700 kV, and K is equal to 7.04 10 raised to minus 10. This is for 400 kV line, 400 kV line. V is conductor voltage, this is V, this is line to line voltage, RMS. E as usual, voltage gradient on the conductor surface. Rho is rain rate of rain. Rainfall is also considered here. Rate of rain in mm per hour. R is as usual, R is radius of conductor in centimeter, radius of conductor in centimeter, and N the number of subconductors in bundle. So using this formula we can determine the determine the corona loss. So this way you have to determine the corona loss to determine the line performance. Thank you.